Meet Bob. Bob just put $10,000 into an investment. He's excited, but he has one burning question. When is this actually going to turn into $20,000? He starts trying to do the complex compound interest math in his head. Stop. You don't need a PhD in mathematics to figure this out. You just need a mental cheat code called the Rule of 72. The Rule of 72 is a simple way to estimate how long it will take for your money to double, given a fixed annual rate of return. You just take the number 72 and divide it by your interest rate. That's it. No complex exponents, no scientific calculators. Let's look at why this matters. Asterisk Scenario A. Bob A puts his money in a high-yield savings account at a 3% interest rate. It will take Bob 24 years to double his money. Scenario B. Bob B invests in an index fund with an average return of 9%. It only takes him 8 years to double his money. Same starting amount, but Bob B doubles his wealth 3 times in the same period it takes Bob A to double his once. That is the power of understanding your rate of return. Here's the kicker. The Rule of 72 works for the bad guys, too. If inflation is at 4%, you can use the rule to see how fast the purchasing power of your money cuts in half. In 18 years, your $100 bill will only buy $50 worth of groceries. It also works for debt. If you have a credit card with a 24% interest rate, the amount you owe will double every 3 years if you aren't paying it down. Ouch. Now, a quick reality check. The Rule of 72 is an estimation. It's most accurate between 5% and 12% returns. If you're dealing with crazy numbers like 70% or 1%, the math gets a bit wobbly. But for most investors, it's the perfect, back-of-the-napkin, calculation. So, the next time someone offers you an investment, don't just look at the percentage. Divide it into 72. If you don't like how many years the answer is, keep looking. If you want to see more cheat codes for your finances, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a lesson. What's your current target interest rate? Do the math and drop the number of years in the comments below.